We are holding hands along with our counter unions in Bonaire and striving for this fight along with them, because at the end of the day, it is the best islands that are suffering, and it's not only Bonaire, Saba or Statia that's suffering, it's all of us together as one that we need to hold hands. So, and joining forces with you all in Bonaire, Supla is standing strong, along with some of the members of the Island Council and the healthcare institution here on Saba.
Thank you. Meneer Charles Woodley.
Sì. Hello?
Yes.
Bontari orientala. Sì, mi proprio in inglese ora qui. Yeah, I'll speak in English. When I'm in Bonaire, I'll speak in Papiamento. I want to say good afternoon to everyone, and we're here for a just cause, a cause that should have been handled from the inception. It is a cause where it's very inhumane to have or to survive in one kingdom where there's inequality and people does not have established social minimum. So we are very grateful that for this union, for this coming together, because this is not about color, this is not about parties, this is about humanity. This is about an act of humanity, a human right, where within a kingdom, all of us should have rights to be able to enjoy at least a basic minimum that we can all say that this is fair for each and every one, and we establish it. So I am looking forward to having some participation with Bonaire, and I hope that Statia will take example and also, you know, support in its entirety, because there are many people here on the island also that relate to the same issues where the money is not enough to come around. I know of people here who are, you know, receiving, I think it's $500 or $600 monthly, and it's very, very difficult for them to come around. You know, they have to choose on a monthly basis whether to pay this bill or to pay that bill, and it's all frustration and frustration all over again. So I am glad that you know, Bonaire, Usibo took the initiative, and I'm glad that all the unions within the islands, you know, join forces, and I hope that we will have the support of, you know, the government and everyone in general to support this cause, because it is a just cause for all humanity within the islands. Thank you again for the opportunity.
Thank you, Charles.